everyone, this is again Muhammed Aziz with our new session of Go language programming. So today we are going to see our new session which is will be about HTTP server. In our last session, like you know that we have created a client by using Go net HTTP package, and now today we are going to use the same package, but this time not we are going to deal with the client, but we are going to deal with the server. Like real-time example or real-life example, we are going to create a restaurant. So this server will not be uh, anything that we are creating something from scratch, but the thing that we are using a net HTTP package to have a very simple server, and the server will be taking our request and give us back some responses. So let's see in action that how quickly we can create a very small server by using Go language. All right, so here we are going to again with in creation of our Golang server. So this is a very amplified. And the first thing, I will just create a function which is going to handle our request and response. That function is very simple one for me. I will name it function hello, and it's going to take two parameters. First one is w, which I consider to be a write response. I will say http dot write response writer here, and second one will be request, that will be http.HandlerFunc. It's doing nothing, it's just returning back some string for now. I will say fprint, and in here it's going to take one parameter which is the IO writer, and second one will be hello, welcome to our server. That's it. And in the main function, I'm going to handle these requests because this is the main point of our function, http.Handle function, and I will say string pattern. When someone is going to hit this endpoint, what you do, we just send back this hello. That's it. So here it needs the second parameter to be a pointer, then I will be sending the pointer here. Now handle is done, hello function is done. Now I just need to run and listen to my server, which will be http.listen and serve. So I will give my port 8080 for now, and a handler in my case is null because it's a very simple example. Okay, so that's simple. Just let's run this. I'm going to allow it. Okay, our server is running now. So how to check the server is running or not? So for that purpose, I have Postman here. So what I will going to do, I will hit that server by using HTTP and the same port which I have given here, 8080. Okay, so let's run this now. I have this address, send, and you see hello, welcome to our server. So this response is getting back from our server which is running right now, as you can see here as well. Even though if you remember in our last session we have this client, we can also use that same here and see what kind of response we will get if we run this. I have to open new terminal and let's run this client. Status response 200 is okay, and hello, welcome to our server. Sorry, my welcome spellings are not correct. So as you see that this is the very quickest way in Go language by using net HTTP package that you can create a client and then you can also create a server. There are so many other things that you can basically play with, especially for this HTTP package. I mean, like last time I told you, you can just send get, like currently we are just using get here, and you can also use the post. I will come back to all the detailed session of these all handlers and all the HTTP package which we actually use specifically to Go in another session. I hope you like this session. This is the quickest one, and I will see you again in my next session. Take care. Bye bye.